Are you tired of cooking the whole meal like roti, sabzi, rice, sambar, etc.? Here I have a one pot, easy and quick, also tasty tomato rice recipe for you. You can prepare this using very minimum ingredients and easily available spices. Let's have a look at what vegetables and spices we need to make this delicious tomato rice recipe. You will need 3 small sized or 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1 medium sized onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and a handful of coriander. Finely chop the tomatoes, slice the onions, slit the green chilies, make a paste out of ginger and garlic and chop the coriander. In the dry spices, I have used 2 inches of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 peppercorns and 3 cardamoms. To begin the recipe, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add all the dry spices one by one. Add the cinnamon stick. Add bay leaves. Add the cardamom, cloves and the shahi jeera. You can see the spluttering of the shahi jeera and also you will sense the smell of all these spices. At this point, you can add the further ingredients. First, we will add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it well in the hot oil till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. Then add the onions. Also add the green chilies. Stir the onion and green chili frequently until the onions become translucent. This may take up to 2 minutes, and once they are done, you will add the tomatoes. Mix the tomatoes well. You should cook the tomatoes until they become soft and mushy. Cover the lid of the cooker and cook them. Stir the tomatoes in between. You can also add salt to make the cooking process faster. Once the tomatoes are nicely cooked, we will add the dry powder spices. Add turmeric powder, ¼ teaspoon, red chili powder, ½ teaspoon, garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Mix all the spices with the tomatoes. Let the masalas cook with the tomatoes for a few seconds. After a minute, we will now add the rice. Here I have washed 1½ cups of rice. I have not soaked the rice. I have washed it and I am immediately adding it. Mix the rice with the masala. Stir for a few seconds and then we will add water. For 1½ cups of rice, I have taken 3 cups of water. Mix everything together. At this point you can check the salt. Now keep the flame at the highest and cover the lid of the cooker. Let it cook for 3 whistles. Wait till the cooker's pressure is released naturally. Then we will open the lid of the cooker. You can see the amazing tomato rice ready. See, the grains are also not sticking to each other. It is perfectly cooked. Now add the freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together again. And that's it. Your one pot recipe, the amazing tomato rice, is ready. Let's serve it. Enjoy this delicious tomato rice recipe with just plain curd. So how was the recipe? I hope you found it helpful. Try the recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching, and also thanks a lot for the response you gave on my previous video. Do subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you.